Okay, YouTube guys, we're cutting off these anchor bolts on this patio slab. It had a building out here, wood shed building, and got torn down. So now we put a pool up right here on the slab, and we need to get these anchor bolts. We had these bricks kind of covering them so at one time, and nobody came out here. Now we're going to be out here all the time, so we've got to cut them off. So there's two ways to do it, but I'm going to show probably the easiest way is a grinding wheel. You cut in at the base of it, all on the sides as much as you can, angled down, and then you break them off. Now these are 1/2-inch anchor bolts, so they break off pretty easy. Use a piece of pipe. I don't know, it's probably a 1/2 or 3/4 inch galvanized pipe, and they snap right off. So that's your anchor bolt. Okay, now let me zoom in, see if we can zoom in a little bit. I think my zoom's all the way in. So I've got this kind of part here that'll cut your foot if you stepped on it now. I did cut in at an angle to kind of get the edges, but now you want to grind that off. What I'll do is I'll hit the corners to round it off, give it a rounded. Okay, so that should be safe. What you can also do is use a hammer or a ball peen hammer and round that off more and kind of brad it. So the ball peen hammer's got a round ball on the end. When you tap it with that, that would give you a round surface, and that's probably what I'll do. Of course, on this side grinder, we call them side grinders. They call them angle grinders. This is a 4 1/4 inch angle grinder, and this is a cheap one from I think Harbor Freight. And of course you get a 4 or 4 1/4 inch metal grinding blade to do that with. Now there's another way you can do it if you can get to it. You don't have the grinder. You can use this Ryobi saw. You can cut down right into it and then notch it and then break it with the pipe, but then you're going to have that. And like I say, you can use a ball peen hammer and just keep tapping it. Don't tap it hard enough to bust your concrete, but just kind of tap it to round it off if you don't have this angle grinder. So there's two ways. You cut it with this, and you can cut it all the way in through with either one of these, but it's much quicker just to break it off with a piece of pipe like this, and then round it off. Okay, YouTube, thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody. Have a great day.